If you've been keeping up with smartphone trends or at least watching TechWiz videos, you'll notice that the prices have been on an upward trajectory for most phones, with features that can make your current phone feel like a dwarf and get you feeling maybe a little bit jealous, with an increasing need to buy the latest devices that we review here, but your pocket might be saying no. So, from TechWiz, I am Richard Okenya with the tips that will help your current Android phone feel great again. So let's take it and go. So let's begin. Number one, delete those unnecessary applications in your phone. Listen, even though most phones nowadays come with a ton of storage, this doesn't mean you download every other app that you see on the Play Store just because you have space. You should start being intentional about the apps that you download. Some of those applications that you have in your phone have honestly lost their usefulness and need to go. They are a distraction and work against you, especially if you have goals that are efficiency oriented. These apps bring clutter and make it hard to find the apps that you really need to use. In terms of memory, these rarely used applications take a toll on your phone's performance by consuming resources that are badly needed by other useful applications. So go to your app drawer and scan through these applications. Keep the apps that spark joy when you launch them, could be TikTok for you or any other, and delete the apps that you haven't opened up in the past 1 month. I don't know which apps those are, but make sure you check for them. For pre-installed applications, you can disable them. There is Google Files Utility app that comes in handy in identifying unused apps. The app monitors your app usage and lets you know which of your apps haven't been opened in at least the past, let's say, 4 weeks. And then it gives you a very simple list of those apps and you can proceed to uninstall them. Tip number 2, keep tabs on apps that drain battery in the background. Some of these offenders, by the way, are common social media applications like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and they are doing questionable stuff when you're clearly not using the application. So go to your settings under battery and start looking over the app by app battery usage breakdown. Do this at the end of the day, most likely when your phone has had enough activity to analyze how they have been operating. Tap on any app you see with high battery usage to check on how much of its activity is going on in the background when you're not using the app. You get options to enable or actually restrict specific apps from opening in the background. And we're still on the background, so you need to reclaim control over apps that access data on the background, and that is tip number 3. If you see apps with excessive amounts of background data usage, deactivate that function. Doing so will free up much needed processing power and battery life while also reducing the amount of mobile data that is being consumed. So, talk of killing 3 birds with 1 stone. Tip number 4, get rid of those annoying notifications. Push notifications are a death of productivity and ultimately, as I have found in my case, can lead to some form of insanity if you continuously check your notifications. Most apps have been giving you alerts that you don't need and become distracting as they grab your attention every second. For example, Instagram. User 145 has uploaded a story for the first time. Maybe you don't need that. So, go to your settings and under notifications, turn off alerts that are there for specific applications. By doing that, you can also restrict certain types without killing all of them. For example, you can enable only Instagram or Twitter notifications while restraining the rest of the application's notifications. Next up, clear up your storage. Most smartphones today come with an upward of 32 GB and more, with maybe the exception of some that rock 16 GB, and those are budget smartphones. All of this local and cloud storage is sufficient for your average use, but we tend to ignore how much this space is being used. If you're into taking lots of photos on your phone's camera, for example, you can set the heavy task of storing them to the cloud using apps like Google Photos, Dropbox, or OneDrive, or the many others that are out there. Google Files application can even help you in cleaning your storage and getting rid of junk files and some duplicates that you don't know about. All this can be done from within the application. Next up, organize your home screen. This is underrated. For apps or widgets that don't use or open at least once a day, remove them from the home screen. Third-party launchers like Nova or Action Launcher, which are my favorites, can freshen up your home screen. Organizing your home screen will make it easier and faster to access your apps which you use on a daily. If all of these applications are too heavy for you and the tips I've given are too difficult, you can consider, which is our next tip, to download light versions of your regular applications. Deleting unused apps can increase the performance of your phone, but if your regular apps are slowing down your phone, think about installing their lightweight versions. Google has a couple of them, which are Go apps such as Files Go. Facebook has Facebook Lite, Instagram has Instagram Lite, Twitter has Twitter Lite, Uber has Uber Lite. There's a lot of Lite. But these apps will work wonders, especially if your phone has limited system resources. Tip number finally, get yourself a screen protector or a new case, or clean the one that you already have. Imagine drinking tea from a cup that is clean on the inside but dirty on the outside. Might be a fun experience, but not one that I want to subscribe to. So, not only is it important to spring clean the inside of your phone, but also the outside. Your phone has picked up dirt from the couple of months or years that you've used it since you purchased it, and its case has too. Your phone is actually one of the dirtiest things that you currently own probably. It's important to remove your case and clean it. Also, replace your screen protector if it has been damaged, and avoid the liquid screen protector. I won't talk much about it. You can get new cases, screen protectors, and other accessories from the official brand shops of the phone that you have. There are some phone shops that already sell these items too. With the above tips, the ones that I've given you, you can reclaim the past glory of your Android phone when you first got it, and you'll also become more productive, as I have explained. And that's it from us at Tech Quiz. We done take it. Now you go.